What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Get Out Fishing. And you guys are not going to believe this, but me and this guy, Jim right here, out here for a third week in a row fishing the exact same section of water, the exact same pattern, the exact same bait, and 3 weeks in a row. What did we do?
We caught fish.
We caught fish. We got on the fish again tonight. I'll show you guys here in just a second. Even caught, if you guys saw our last video, Jim missed that big one last week, and maybe we didn't get him, but we got his brother tonight. We'll show you that here in just a second. Stay tuned. Oh. Good. You ready? You get one already?
Oh, I had one. He was swimming towards me, man.
Dang.
I mean, he hit it like a ton of bricks, dude. Oh. What the heck is that? He was swimming like 15,000 miles an hour.
Oh, there's one. Yeah. Stay down, buddy. No, he's a little one. I say he's a little one. I have him hooked funny or something. But stay right there. Oh, maybe he's a little bigger than I thought. There we go. Wow, that just happened. Holy smokes. What in the world is up with this spot here, man?
I don't know, but I'll take it.
No doubt. Hold on 1 second. Alright. I don't think that's in too bad a shape right there, but here, we'll set it down for a second. Well, first one of the night, guys.
Dude, it didn't take no time.
Right there. About the third or fourth cast
man.
we're on here.
What you got there?
That'll work.
Alright.
That's awesome. Smashed it right as it come across there. Got him.
Good one?
Nah, little one. They're still feeding on the same thing, ain't they?
Yep.
A little underbelly on it. That is a big snag. I have to go after that one. You good? What you need?
My pliers.
You got them?
Yeah. So freaking small, man. Ain't no skunk for either one of us today, brother.
Like, well,
How deep is it right here, Brian?
says not. There we go. Got another one. Little one. This might be a perch. Yeah, it is a perch.
Oh, cool.
I was wondering where those things were at.
Careful.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's not cool, buddy. Boy, as soon as I touch him, he flares up.
Yep.
Boy, he hit that thing. There must be a school of them there. He hit it about 18 times before he took it. Little perch, guys. Too bad.
I need to get a
Small
picture
one.
of you. Sorry.
Well, it's all good.
Number two.
Number two.
all day long, brother.
Yeah, catch about 14 or 15 of those. Be good, huh?
Yes, sir.
I think so. Or a stick, I can't tell. No, it's a fish.
Oh yeah.
Right in the old head. Wow. That's
Hey man.
that's gonna suck.
So, still thinking about what you was thinking about earlier?
About switching baits?
No.
No.
That's what I figured.
Good Lord, man.
Need some pliers?
Yeah. Took it to the head.
What'd you catch it on, Brian?
Oh, the same thing we've caught them all on the last couple weeks here.
Is that one of the new ones I bought you?
It's a brand new one, yeah.
Oh, isn't that
Caught 2
beautiful?
fish already and 4 casts.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's wonderful. We could go be Ozark Trail bait salesmen, I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, that might be a fish. Yep, that's a fish. That's a good one too.
Gosh, dude. Is that a bass, you think?
Yeah.
That's a big fish, bro. Let him go if you have to. Let him run. He's all the way up here. Got you right.
Yeah, I got it.
Where's the
There he
line?
is right there.
That's what I'm talking about.
Woo, son!
Holy cow.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on one second. Hold on, wait a minute for a second. How about that mess? Beautiful, dude. Change the photo. Oh my god.
Dude, that was awesome. That was awesome. Oh my goodness. That was awesome. Thanks, sir.
Amen.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We will catch you guys in the next episode. Until then, take every opportunity you can to get out fishing.